Welcome to the channel, guys. In today's video, we are building a step-by-step beginner-friendly complete Tic Tac Toe app. Now let's open VS Code. Open the folder where you want to create the project. Once you have opened this folder, create a folder name as Tic Tac Toe. Now open a new terminal. Change the directory to get inside the folder. Now create a new Flutter project with this command. It may take a moment of time to set up everything. If you are learning Flutter or want more beginner-friendly tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Again, changing the directory to get inside the project folder. Navigate to the main.dart folder, which is stored inside lib folder. Here we will write all our code. Remove the existing code. Let's start with the very first line, which gives us all widgets, which imports the material library. Main function is the entry point of every Dart app. Run app tells Flutter to start the app and show the widget we pass. Here it is, my app. My app is the root widget. It extends stateless widget because it does not change. Material app sets the app theme, title, and turns off the debug banner. And home is the first screen where our Tic Tac Toe game will be displayed. Our game will be needing a changing UI, so we use stateful widget. This holds the board and the current player and the details of winner. So here we create a list of 9 boxes of Tic Tac Toe grid. Each will be empty initially. Current player tracks whose turn it is. Winner is empty until someone wins or draws. This function is called whenever the user taps a cell. If the box is empty and no winner yet, we place X or O. Then we check, did someone win? If not, is it a draw? Otherwise, switch turns. This function checks all the winning combinations. These are the row winning combinations. Then the column winning combinations. And lastly, the diagonal combinations. We loop through each of the combination and check if they match. This clears the board and resets the game. We use a scaffold to structure the screen. It is a fundamental building block for creating material design, visual layout, structure for a single screen within your application. We are putting background color as black, dark theme with a clean app bar. If there is no winner, show current player. Otherwise, show the winner. This creates a 3x3 grid. This gesture detector makes the box clickable. The board shows X or O inside a styled container. This elevated button is for resetting the game. And that's it guys, you just built a fully working Tic Tac Toe game in Flutter with complete game logic, UI and interactivity. Let's run it on Chrome. Firstly, save your main.dart file. Open the terminal and type this command flutter run to run this application. Now type 2 and press enter to run this application on Chrome. Now as you can see, our app is running on Chrome. So our complete game logic, UI and interactivity is working perfectly fine. Now let's check this app on our mobile phone by using wireless debugging. Close the web browser. Open a fresh terminal and type Flutter devices after connecting your mobile device using wireless debugging. Once your device is connected, type Flutter run to run this application on your mobile device. It will take some time because we are running this app first time on our mobile phone. It will install the debug app. Once it's running, it will look like this in your mobile phone. And that's it for today guys. Hope you guys like this video. Comment your suggestions below and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing tutorials on Dart and Flutter. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.